Okay, this is a homework help video for lesson 17 in module 3. Okay, the thing to remember, that one of the things we're working on right now is that we will have tens that need to be decomposed into ones. Okay, and as we're beginning to learn the process of long division, here are the steps. First, we would divide. Second, we multiply. Third, we subtract. Fourth, we bring down. And fifth, we look to see if we have a remainder or if we repeat the dividing process. Okay, here is an example problem, and then I will do number 1 and 2 on your homework pages next. Okay, first we have 5 tens, 3 ones. We have 53. So that's what we have, and then we're going to divide it into groups of 3. And I'm going to do this on the place value chart, and then I'm also going to do it with long division so you can see how it correlates to what we're doing. Okay, I put 53 on my chart, and I grouped this into one group of 3. So I have two tens that need to be decomposed. So I'm going to decompose this one, and then I'm going to decompose this one. So I'm going to do that and turn the video back on. Okay, so after I decomposed, I have 23 ones. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my my long division so you can see that when I finish at one point, I will have 23 ones. Okay, so I did my steps. First, I took 5 tens, I divided it by 3, I had one group. And then I multiplied 1 times 3, and I got 3. Really, it's 30 because it's in my tens column. And then I subtracted, sister, subtract, and then brother, bring down. And now I have 23 here to divide by 3, just like I have 23 over here on my place value chart. So I'm going to divide those by 3. So I had seven groups of 3. So I'm going to put my 7 here, and I actually have a remainder of 2. So now I'm going to do this over here. I have 23 divided by 3, it's 7. 7 times 3 is 21. I'm going to subtract, and I don't have anything to bring down, so I'm showing that I have a remainder of 2. Remember, when I'm finished, I can multiply 17 times 3 and then plus my remainder, and I should get 53. Okay, so here is the one that is on your homework tonight. This is number 1 and number 2. So I'm going to do number 1 first. We have 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to put them in groups of 2. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, and I have 1 left over. So my answer here is my quotient is 3, and I have 1 left over. Now, if I have 7 tens and that 1 is left over, then I have to decompose to the ones. So the same, I'm going to do exactly the same here, but I have 7 tens instead of 7 ones. Okay, and I'm going to group them. 2. So I still have 3 groups, but then I have to decompose this one into ones. Oh, and I need to put my 3 ones down here. So now I'm going to put 10 here, and then I'm going to group into groups of 2. Okay, so I had 6 groups with 1 left over, remainder of 1. So now I'm going to do this the long division way, and then we'll multiply and find out if we can check our answer. Okay, my long division, I did my steps. First I divided, then I multiplied, and then I subtracted, and then I brought down my 3. Then I had 13 ones. So I took my 13, I divided by 2, I got 6, and I put it up here. Remember, when we divide, that dividing number goes on top of the dividing house. And then I subtracted sister, and then I didn't bring down because I'm finished. I don't have any more numbers to bring down. And so my 1 would either be over, remainder, or redo all the steps. Okay, and here's the joke today. It's kind of a math joke, so I hope you enjoy it. What did 0 say to the number 8? Okay, think on that, and I will tell you the answer tomorrow.